Hello everyone, this is I.C.T. Nancy. Today let me introduce our cleaning machine factory. Let's go. This is our RD supporting. Okay, let's go to our assembly area. This is our lumber. This is our electrical station cleaning machine, which is used for station cleaning. This is our DI water machine, provided the DI water to the cleaning machine. This is our online water-based spray cleaning machine. Here too are our offline PCBA cleaning machine, I.C.T. 5600. It works with the DI water machine for PCBA part cleaning. This is our spare parts area. These two are our node cleaning machine, I.C.T. 30. This is our online PCBA cleaning machine, I.C.T. 6600. Here is our spare parts putting area. This is our electrical fixture cleaning machine to clean all SMT fixtures. This is our another online model. It is on assembly now. These three are our pneumatic station cleaning machine, I.C.T. 750 model. Here is our warehouse. Thanks for watching. See you.